Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. In this video, we'll be discussing about the recently released report on All India Tiger Estimate. The Tiger Census is conducted once in every 4 years in India, and this is conducted by NTCA, that is a statutory body called as the National Tiger Conservation Authority, Wildlife Institute of India, State Forest Department, and World Wildlife Fund India as the implementation partner. The main findings about the tiger estimates are there has been an increase in the population of about 33% from the last census that was conducted in the year 2014. And this 33% is the highest recorded census so far in the history of census of tiger estimates. Madhya Pradesh holds the highest population of tigers in India. The important aspect of this report is that in 3 of the tiger reserves in India, no tigers were recorded. That is Dampa in Mizoram, Baksa in West Bengal, and Palamau in Jharkhand. And India is home to about 80% of the world population of tigers. The IUCN's Red Book status of tiger is endangered, and it also comes under the CITES Appendix 1, where it is accorded the highest conservation and protected status. Now let us look into some of the global conservation efforts. St. Petersburg Tiger Summit at Russia. This happened in the year 2010, where the 13 tiger range countries came together for doubling the number of tigers by 2022. And the second one is the CATS, that is Conservation Assured Tiger Standards. These are a set of guidelines designed by the 13 tiger range countries, which are helpful in the areas where tigers breed and increase their population. So far, 3 tiger reserves in the world are declared as CATS assured. That is, one in Chitwan National Park, it is in Nepal, and Lansdowne National Park in Uttarakhand, India, and one is Saikot Tiger Reserve in Russia. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding tiger population in India. There has been a decrease in the tiger population compared to the previous census. Tiger census is conducted once in every 3 years. The correct answer is D, none. As we have just discussed that it is conducted once in every 4 years, and there has been a record increase in the tiger population in India of about 33%. Therefore, the correct answer is D, none. Thank you.